setting myself a new challenge. Right, what this challenge involves is my friend that I know in real life. She often stops for a cup of coffee and that, but she gives me craft stuff occasionally when she comes down. She knows how to cheer me up. She gives me bits and pieces that she's got. Well, she's obtained this large bag here. Now I've been collecting this stuff and putting it in this bag since just before Christmas, and I thought I'd collect it up and make a series out of it and see what we can create out of it. Something to do, but I'm gonna create something on each video. It's not only that bag I've got other pieces as well, bits and pieces that wouldn't fit in that bag. So firstly, out of the bag was some of these glass beads, flat back glass beads. They're clear and frosted. I was thinking, now what can I do with them? Now this is what I'm doing in this series. Basically grabbing something out the bag and thinking, what can I make with that? So some of the makes may be easy, you may know them already, you may not. We're gonna just see what we can create. So what I've come up with is I've made these. Okay, these embellishments, and they are absolutely gorgeous. They are absolutely beautiful, and they're not that heavy really, neither, each one of them. I've made some for Christmas. These can be made, these are made up for Christmas. Now I'm going to show you how to make these. I will insert a video at the end showing them in natural daylight outside, because like it's dark in here because it's night time. You need the beads themselves, and you need some nail polish, and you need black, and you need sparkly. I've got one here that's got like little dots in. Sorry about that. Like little dots in it. So you'll need a black and any sort of sparkly, glittery nail polishes. 3 of those. And 3 of the frosted. So the frosted ones are better painted on the tops. Okay, because you're not going to be able to see through from the bottom. So let me leave them to one side a minute, the frosted ones. We'll do them after. Right, so for the clear ones, you're probably not going to be able to see on here. Right, our clear ones. So what we want to go in stages on this. Okay, so where's that one with the bubbles? I like that. So I'm going to use this one. I say bubbles, they're just bits of glitter in them around. So what you want to do is just paint the backs of them, try and get some of that stuff in them, and then just leave that to dry. Okay, we'll have one in that, and we'll do a gold one. This is a lovely gold. Right, let's just turn it. Just paint the back of that gold. I mean, you've got to allow for drying time and that. So we'll leave that there. Maybe I should just put these to the side so I know which ones are what. And what else have I got? Let's do the silver. Let me just give that a shake. I didn't shake the other one up. Then we'll just do the silver glitter. So now we're going to leave these to dry for a minute. because we're going to have to put another coat of something on them. Right, so we're going to do the frosted beads now. Now the frosted ones, so I'm going to do this one. So I'm just going to go right around it like that, but I'm going to pull it down and just coat the rest of it. I mean, this is only the first layer. Let's bring this bubble one back out and do that. Try and get some of the glitter bits on it. Right, I'm just going to go in with a bit more polish. When you do the glitter ones though, it takes a while to build the glitter up on them, you know. This pink. So I'm going to try that. I haven't tried the pink, I've done the red and the green. I'd like to try and see how it comes out. Right, hang on a minute. We're just going to have to go right around and leave that to dry. On the first layer, they're like that, but we can build it up a bit on the backs. So we need the gold back. Going back in with the gold. Now, what I done on some of them, I just want this one to be just gold. But what I have done on some of the ones that I've made is I put very thin coats on them in all different glitters, and it's made a great effect, you know. Like I would put a very thin layer of that, then I'd go in with that, then another top of that, and then I'd put the black on. Like this one's got the bubble one, now I'm going in with another one on the top. Now it can get messy when you use normal nail polish, not the glitter. The glitter wipes straight off your fingers, but when you're using like that or the black is so messy. And you will need a very well ventilated room to work with if you're doing this. And I don't suggest you do it if you've got asthma or lung conditions, because the smell of the varnish is intense, you know. Right, so these should be, they're touch dry. Yeah, okay. So we're going to go over these again. Right, so all I've got to do now is, because I'm going to show you what I mean. So if you can just leave that like that, but if you put black on the backs of them, the intensity of the glitter and everything else, you'll see a lot better. So you just want a very thin coat of any black nail polish. I've got a Rimmel one here. So just put your black on the back. Like that. Just make sure it's all in. And then leave that to dry. This is supposed to be like a 60-second fast drying or something like that. It doesn't though. Let's see if they're dry now to the touch. Basically, yeah. Right, so there's the silver. Done. I mean, if you get any lighter colours, you can put like white or black at the back. Whatever you feel like. But the black intensifies it more. And there's the gold. See, the gold's more intense now. Really pretty. And there's that bubble effect with some silver in it. That beautiful. That is. These are the other ones, the frosted. And this was the gold frosted. So the colours all over, basically. And then the pink one is this dry enough to handle. Yeah, so I didn't coat the back over. But you see this how it is now. This is how it comes out when it dries in. It comes out very frosty, like almost like sweets, like candy. That's how it is. And the rest in my mixed media. So that's why I've left some of them. So I've got a nice tray full now. Hang on. I've got a lovely tray full now of these, which I can add these ones to, what I've just made. And yeah, there's my other frosted ones. I'll put the pink one with them and I'll show you. There's the pink one I've just made, and there's the rest. This red really come out gorgeous, look. And I didn't do the backs of them, none of them. And the and that one, didn't do the backs of that, because there's no point on some of them to do the backs, you know, unless you have to put the black on. And these dark, this was like a dark maroon colour, but it's got this red glow in it, like almost like cherries, you see with this one. So yeah, they're all embellishments I've made, and I hope you enjoyed this. I will be back delving in the mystery bag again of stuff that my friend gave me, and seeing what else we can do as a project. Hope you can join me for that. Leave comments below if you like this little series that I'm doing. I'm just basically creating out of things that she's given me. Anything she gives me, I'm going to try and make something with, and I will catch you in the next video, guys. Watch at the end for the video outside showing these. Bye.